Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll show you the way how to generate Flash TRX. We already know how to generate Flash USDT but never heard of how to generate Flash TRX. So I asked myself this question, how to generate Flash TRX? And the only answer I can get from is from ChatGPT. So I went to ChatGPT and asked him how to generate Flash TRX. First of all, I asked him what is Flash TRX actually. Flash TRX is a token that you can create on the TRON network, but it will never have real funds back to it. So it will be shown in your wallet as a real fund, but it doesn't have real funds backed in the blockchain. So basically you're creating synthetic TRX. Is it going to be shown in the wallet as a real one? Yes. And is it can be used as a TRX to deduct as a commission? The answer is yes. So I asked ChatGPT and I'll show you the way how to generate Flash TRX. So ChatGPT says there is 6 simple steps to create Flash TRX, but you will have to work with all these coding details on TRON network. So basically, I asked him what is the simplest way to generate Flash TRX. She showed me a simpler way, which is 5-step instead of a 6-step creation process. And I asked him, do you know the service that creates Flash TRX? The answer is yes. He named me one of them. There is plenty of services that you can create Flash TRX on TRON network. Basically, what the service does is makes all this creation work on the TRON network for some commission fee. And one of these services is trxflash.com. I'll leave the link pinned in the comments. And basically, exploring this website, you can find out that you can create any amount of TRX, which is 5,000, 10,000, 50,000, 100,000, and 1 million TRX. So to begin with, you have to choose the amount of Flash TRX you want to create. Then choose the duration. You can choose it from 1 hour after 7 days. Then we have to paste the copied address of TRON network where the Flash TRX should arrive. So when I press Get Flash TRX, the payment menu pops up. In here, we can choose one of 2 payment options. One is Wallet Connect. Second one is direct deposit. You can simply send the amount mentioned in the payment menu and the payment will be processed and you will get your Flash TRX. So for me, it's easier to get the Wallet Connect. So I choose the Wallet Connect and in here I choose the Trust Wallet. So we have to go to the Trust Wallet and confirm the connection in the wallet. We see the domain is verified, the Flash TRX is the official website, so I press Connect. I go back to the website and wait for the connection to be established. Waiting for the sign, so we have to go back again to the Trust Wallet and confirm the transaction on TRON network. So to get out the Flash TRX, we have to confirm the transaction using this smart contract. So everything done. As you can see, the 35 USDT deducted from my wallet. So I'll go back to the payment menu, wait simply for the generation process to finish. So as we see the generation process finished, the website confirms that smart contract has been deployed to our wallet. So let's go back to Trust Wallet and check it out. Going back to Trust Wallet, open it up. Not yet. I'm refreshing the balance. And yes guys, that's it. As you can see, the Flash TRX just arrived on this wallet.